Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to insert an image directly into a cell in Microsoft Excel. First, click on the cell where you want your picture to go. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. In the Illustrations group, click Pictures, then select Place in Cell and choose the image from your files. Once selected, the picture will automatically appear inside the cell you picked. You can even select multiple images at once by holding the Control key. Just a tip, after inserting your image, you may want to resize the row or column so the picture fits perfectly without stretching or distorting. For more options, right-click the cell with the picture. Here, you can convert it to a picture over the cells, create a linked reference that updates automatically, or preview a larger version using Ctrl plus Shift plus F5. If your Excel file has images already placed over cells, you can right-click the image and select Place in Cell to shrink it into the nearest cell. And that's it. Your picture is now neatly inside an Excel cell. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more Excel tips.